Good morning. Today I am going to learn moral values class 4. Moral value contents of this book. First lesson, reading is fun. You know childrens, many people love to learn. Some storybooks take and go to the away from family and learn in one place and enjoy. Now I am going to learn reading is fun. Anuj was a very smart and brilliant boy. अनुज बहुत ही सुंदर और चालाक बॉय था, ब्रिलियंट था. ही स्टडी इन एवेंजर स्कूल. ही आल्सो एक्टिवली participated in the extra circular activities and sports. वह क्या करता था? बहुत सारा एक्टिविटीज में पार्टिसिपेट करता था, ठीक है, और खेल में भी. But his weakness was that he did not like the library period. लेकिन उनका वीकनेस क्या था? वो पढ़ाई को पसंद नहीं करता था. He always went to the library with the bad face. और जब भी लाइब्रेरी जाता था बैड फेस करके जाता था, मतलब उसको मन ही नहीं लगता था. He had no interest in reading books. उसको किताब पढ़ने का एक भी शौक नहीं था, एक भी पसंद नहीं था. He only went through sports magazine. और वो स्पोर्ट्स का मैगजीन उठा के जाता था. Anu's parents did their best to include in him the good habits of reading, but they could not succeed. Book reading was boring for Anuj. और अनुज के लिए बुक जो रीडिंग करना था वो एक तरह का बोरिंग था. ही वॉज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन रीडिंग बुक्स एट ऑल. पूरा बुक तो वो पढ़ना ही नहीं चाहता था, है ना, उसके लिए बेकार लगता था, इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं था उसको. बट अ लिटिल लेटर समथिंग स्ट्रेंज हैपेंड. इट वॉज अनुज बर्थडे. हिज पेरेंट्स presented him a wonderful aquarium with some wonderful and beautiful fishes. Anuj was very excited and happy. अनुज का अपना बर्थडे था, ठीक है, और उसके लिए वो एक एक्वेरियम उनके पेरेंट्स के साथ हो गया, जो ब्यूटीफुल फिशेस भी वहाँ पे थे. अनुज वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड. वो बहुत एक्साइटेड था और खुश भी था. ही ऑलवेज विशेस टू हैव पेट्स. एट लास्ट ही गॉट देम. He sincerely promised his father and mother to look after the fish properly. Very soon, Anuj realized that it was not an easy task to look after these pets, to keep the fish healthy and safe. He required to know lots of things about them. वो रियलाइज किया कि इसको रखना इतना आसान नहीं है, ठीक है. वो जिस तरह का फिश को हेल्दी और सेफ रखना, ये एक ही रिक्वायर्ड टू नो लॉट्स थिंग अबाउट देम. उसके बारे उसको जाना कि वो बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ेगा. ही न्यू नथिंग अबाउट हाउ टू केयर फॉर फिशेस और इवन द टाइप ऑफ फूड वी फीड देम विथ. वह नहीं जानता था कि कैसे इसको केयर किया जाएगा और किस तरह का इसको फूड फीड किया जाएगा. When he approached his mother to help him, तब वो अपना मम्मी से मदद लेने का कोशिश किया. She answered that she too did not know anything about fishes. अब वो भी कही कि हम भी इसके बारे में कुछ जानते नहीं हैं. She advised him that he should get some books from his library for necessary information. तुमको वो मम्मी उनका एडवाइस की कि तुम्हें क्या करना चाहिए, लाइब्रेरी से कुछ बुक्स उठाना चाहिए इनका इन्फॉर्मेशन लेने के लिए. Next day in the school, in the library period, Anuj asked for necessary books on aquarium fish care. Very soon, Anuj learned the art of keeping the aquarium clean, feeding the fishes, and changing the water. तब वो उस बुक में पढ़ा कि वाटर कैसे बदला जाएगा, एक्वेरियम को कैसे साफ रखा जाएगा, मछली को कैसे पिलाया जाएगा. He even studied what food should be provided to fishes. अब वहाँ पे वो पढ़ाई किया कि क्या फूड इसे देना चाहिए। बिसाइड फिशेस ही रीड बीट about to the pets also and started to share his knowledge with his close friends। और वो सभी चीज को अपने दोस्त के साथ शेयर करने लगा जो वो उन्होंने अध्ययन किया था। रीडिंग बिकम अ फन एंड थ्रिल फॉर अनुज। और जो वो रीडिंग किया उसके लिए क्या हो गया, वो फन की तरह हो गया। लेट्स गिव अ थॉट। डू यू थिंक रीडिंग इज अ गुड हैबिट? Is it essential for us to read books? Books are our real friends. Keep in your mind and also our mind, we get all kinds of informations from books. Books are real sources of knowledge and they ignite our mind in right directions. Now, take your notebook copy and write the question answer. First, A. Multiple choice questions. Take the correct answer. Anuj was an blank student. Bogus, ugly, boring, intelligent. So, Anuj was an intelligent student. He always avoided his blank periods. He always avoided his library periods. He shared his knowledge with friends. Anuj parents presented him blank on his birthday. Anuj parents presented him aquarium on his birthday. Write true and false. Anuj was a very naughty boy. Books are known as our best friend. Anuj learned to maintain aquarium. He got some books on fish. Anuj did not like to read books. Answer the following questions. What was Anuj's weakness? What did Anuj realize very soon? What Anuj promised to his parents? What lesson have you learned from this story? Fill in the blanks with the correct words given in the box. Anuj studied in blank school, realized, aquarium, Avengers, library. Avengers is the right answer. Anuj did not like library period. His parents gifted him an aquarium on his birthday. Anuj realized that it was not an easy task to look after these pets. Name 3 of your most favorite books. Also write something substantial about each books. My most favorite book, I learned from it that my second favorite book, I liked it because you can write in your book. Thank you for watching this video. Now you can work in your notebook copy and learn properly. Thank you.